Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Remotask account. So let's get started. So now here we are in a remotask.com, and from here what you need to do in order for you to create an account is you can click here on start earning today or click on sign up. So in this example, let's click on sign up. And then from here, you want to make sure that you agree to the terms of service right here. So you want to make sure that you tick this box. And then from here, what you want to do is you can continue with Facebook account or Google account depending on your choice. So it's up to you. In my case, I'll just go with the Google account. So now once you have signed up using your Facebook account or Google account, now we will be taking these 3 steps right here to complete our creation into our account. So first one is to personalize your profile, and then the intro to Remo tasks, and then the lastly is the security training. So now once you're ready to proceed, click on next right here. And from here, you would need to provide your personal information. After that, you will now be prompted here to the introduction to Remotask, which is the step 2. So click on start once you're ready. And from here, click on continue. And by the way, make sure that you read and understand all of this. This is very important so that you don't get clueless when you get started with Remotask and you know what's going on. And from here on getting paid, you should read all of this and understand so that you would know the process and the rules on getting paid here in Remotask. Click on continue again, and then next up now is the security. So now you will learn how to keep your Remotask account data safe and secure. So from here, you want to read and understand all of this again. So basically, the Remotask would be providing you a lot of information, and all you have to do is basically just read and understand all of them. You don't have to memorize, just understand them, so that in that way you would know what to do here in Remotask. And from here, you would need to answer this small quiz right here based on what you have read. So from here, the answer to this one is true right here, and click on continue. And this one is this one, check answer. So you would be able to answer all of this once you have read and understand the previous information that was given to you by Remotask. And from here is no, because the tasks are confidential. And from here you cannot post it. And next one is this. So the answer for this one is true, and click on continue. And then here it is. So now we are committed to responding to complaints, concerns, and reports raised by you. So if you have any problems or concerns, you can just go ahead and contact Remotask about that, and their contact details are right here. And then click on continue once you're ready. And from here, you now have finished security training. Now the next thing is there would be some survey. So by the way, you would need to read and understand all of this. By the way, this is where your task log is. So this is where you can see all of the payments that you will be able to receive, as you can see right here on the payout. So this is how it would look like, and click on continue once you're ready. And now from here, once you are here, click on start tasking. And basically this survey right here, as you can see, it says survey. This survey right here is basically all about your PC specs, because it is important that Remotask know your PC spec in order for them to know what kind of task to give you, because if your PC spec is too low, then you wouldn't be able to handle all of the high tier task by Remotask. So from here, click on start, and I'm just gonna answer this really quickly based on my PC. So this is a mid PC, and my RAM is 8 gigabytes plus, and my VRAM is 4 to 8 gigabytes plus, and I have a high-speed internet. And once you are done, you can now click on continue, and that's very easy, right? So now click on start tasking. And now the next thing is that we will now be prompted back right here. So let's just wait for this one to load right here. So you'll be prompted back right here, and click here. Make sure to tick this box so that you can now click on continue. And then from here, and now once you have clicked on continue, will now be prompted right here. As you can see, your task queue is currently empty. That is because this is just a new account. But with this one, we have now successfully created our Remotask account, and that is basically on how you can create a Remotask account. And before you get started with the task, what I want you to do is to go here into your account settings and make sure that you set it all up first. So the first one here in your profile, you would want to submit your resume right here. This would help you in getting more jobs or tasks. and then for the payment right here so that you would be able to pay out. So that is basically it for creating your Remotask account. So if you'd like more information on how you can get started, how you can get task jobs here in Remotask, then you can watch my other video, because in this video we'll just be focusing on how you can create your account. Thank you for watching.